Hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for tuning in. So today I've brought you this sum and I want us to solve for the value of x which satisfies this equation. So we have x minus 3 to the power of x plus 2 is equals to x minus 3 to the power of x plus 8. So we will begin by bringing this term to the left side. So this will be x minus 3 to the power of x plus 2 minus x to the power of 3 x plus 8 is equals to 0. So we are equating it with 0. Our next step now, I'll take x minus 3 to the power of x plus 2 minus x minus 3 to the power of x plus 2 plus 6. So this 8, I've brought it down to 2 plus 6, okay, is equals to 0. My next step, I will write x minus 3 to the power of x plus 2 minus x minus 3 to the power of x plus 2 times x minus 3 to the power of 6, this 6 here, is equals to 0. So you can see x minus 3 to the power of x plus 2 is common. We have common factor. We will factor it out. X minus 3 to the power of x plus 2. You're factoring out. So if we divide this by this, we are getting 1 minus this one here, x minus 3 to the power of 6 is equals to 0. Okay, so our next step, I'm going to equate this with 0. And this will be x minus 3 to the power of x plus 2 is equals to 0. And on this side, 1 minus x minus 3 to the power of 6 is equals to 0. So I'll begin by this side where we'll have x minus 3 to the power of x plus 2 is equals to 0. So according to this exponential rule that says a to the power of m is equals to 0, this means that a is equals to 0. Our base is equals to 0. So x minus 3 is equals to 0 for this case, okay? X is equals to 3 by bringing this 3 on this side. X is equals to 3. So the first value of x is 3. And on this side, I will write x minus 3 to the power of 6 is equals to 1, bringing this 1 to the other side. So this is 1. X minus 3 to the power of 6 is equals to 1 to the power of 6, or negative 1 to the power of 6, right? So I will first equate the first one, which is x minus 3 is equals to 1. So x is equals to 3 plus 1, which is equals to 4. And on the second step, x, this one here, x minus 3 is equals to negative 1. So x is equals to negative 1 plus 3, which is equals to 2. So we have two values of x here. X is equals to 4 and x is equals to 2. So these are the real values of x. We have 3 values. X is equals to 3, x is equals to 4, x is equals to 2. Okay? X is equals to 3, x is equals to 4, x is equals to 2 is our possible values of x. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye-bye.